To hear something on the grapevine means to learn or hear about something through informed means, such as gossip, rumours or unofficial communication channels, rather than through formal or direct sources. The phrase "to hear something on the grapevine" has its roots in the mid-19th century United States. During the American Civil War, the term grapevine telegraph was coined to describe the informal network of communication among soldiers and civilians. The term grapevine itself is thought to have derived from the way the telegraph wires were sometimes strung so loosely across the poles, resembling the twisting, tangled nature of grapevines. Over time, the phrase came to symbolise the spread of information or misinformation through unofficial, uninformal and often unreliable channels. The popularity of the phrase surged after the release of the song "I Heard It Through the Grapevine", written by Norman Whitfield and Barrett Strong and made famous by artists like Marvin Gaye in the late 1960s. Example sentences: I heard on the grapevine that the company is planning to lay off some employees. Fiona found out about the surprise party on the grapevine before anyone had officially told her. I don't know if it's true, but I heard on the grapevine that they are getting a divorce. Rumours spread quickly on the grapevine in a small town like this. You can't always trust what you hear on the grapevine. It's best to get the facts straight from the horse's mouth, i.e. the source. I heard on the grapevine that there's going to be a new manager starting, maybe next month. Hope you enjoyed this idiom. Please comment on which example you like best, or if you have a better example, please comment below. Of course, don't forget to like. So, I'll see you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.